Good morning, everybody. Hope you're still staying safe. Hope you had a good night. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about half reactions, right? So please, when you get this, use this video to help you solve the guided practice on page 8 of the slides. Page 8 of the slides. Okay, so when this is an example, we're trying to write a half reaction for this equation. Now, magnesium, if you check the rules that I sent to you previously, magnesium has an oxidation state of 0 here, and chlorine has an oxidation state of 0 too, because they are atoms, right? Neutral atoms. Neutral atoms have a 0 charge. Now, when they react together, they are going to make magnesium chloride. When they make magnesium chloride, the charge of magnesium chloride becomes magnesium 2 plus and 2 chlorine minus. Because there are 2 chlorides and each chloride is supposed to be 1 negative charge, it means 2 of them will give us 2 negative charges. So 2 chlorine minus plus magnesium 2 plus gives us a neutral molecule. So now magnesium went from being 0 to being 2 plus. Chlorine went from being 0 to being 2 minus. So from what we see right now, magnesium lost electrons, and because it lost electrons, it has been oxidized. Chlorine gained electron, it means it has been reduced. Remember that oxidation means an increase in the oxidation number. Reduction means a loss in the oxidation number. So going from 0 to minus 2 is a loss of oxidation number, or a decrease. You can say decrease or you say loss. Decrease or loss in oxidation number. Then going from 0 to 2 is an increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number. Oxidation number. Or you can say it's a loss of electrons. Or you can say, if you look at this way, from 0 to 2 minus 1, from 0 to negative means you're going down. From 0 to 2 plus means you're going up. So this is how you can figure out which one is an oxidation and which one is a reduction. Now that we know that magnesium was oxidized, chlorine was reduced, now we're going to look at how to write a reduction half reaction. So the step 1 is to figure out which one was oxidized. Step 2 is to write out the half reactions. So magnesium went to become magnesium 2 plus. Chlorine 2 went to become 2 chlorine minus. Now the question, the next part of this is that since you have magnesium right here going to become 2 plus, you want to make sure that it is balanced. So you're going to have plus 2 electrons that are from the chlorine, right, to make it balanced. Now, if chlorine has 2 chlorine minus, it means there are 2 more electrons here. So we're going to say plus 2E minus. Let me write that more clearly. We're going to say Cl2 plus 2E minus. So this is the oxidation half reaction. This is the reduction half reaction. So let me write it down. Reduction half reaction. And this is the oxidation half reaction. So once again, the steps to follow, you have 3 steps to follow. The first step, it's on slide 8 of the slides that I'm sending you. The first step is to find the oxidation numbers of the elements. We figured out that magnesium has 0 and plus 2. That is the first step. Then you separate the substances that have a change in oxidation state. Magnesium has a change in oxidation state, chlorine has a change in oxidation state. So you write them out separately. That's why you call them half reactions. Now you balance the charges with electrons to conserve the charges. Remember that charges have to be conserved. For you to conserve the charges, right here we have a charge of 0. If we have a charge of plus 2 here, it means we need 2 electrons to conserve the charge. Conservation. Here we have have two negative charges, so we need to have two negative charges here in order to conserve the reaction. Conservation means the same amount of charge on the left-hand side is the same amount of charge on the right-hand side. So you're going to conserve the mass and you're going to conserve the charge. So you're going to conserve mass, you're going to conserve charge. If you have any questions, please send me an email so that we can go through it again. Once again, please make sure you see these videos, and if you have any questions, let me know. All right, bye for now.